Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. And on today's episode on Lars Mobile, I'm gonna teach you how to auto-join rallies. So without further ado, let's start the video on it. So first thing first, open up your Lars Mobile game. And once you're in the game, head over to your guild. Now to access the guild, tap on the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see an arrow. And you can see your guild. So just tap on guild and tap on the battle icon at the right side of the screen. From here, just tap on the gear icon above assist your ally. As you can see, this one is the auto join rallies option. So in order to auto join rallies, just tap on activate. And now your auto join rallies has been activated, and if there is any rallies in your guild, you will auto join it. So that's it for today's video guys. If you have any question, just leave your comments down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.